Hello and welcome to a new short video. If you follow my channel, then you know that I've started a new series a few days ago called Lambda of the Month, because lambdas are quite important in Excel Esport as well as in regular Excel live. But yeah, I'm now doing also a series for Excel Esports related macros. And the thing is, I have a few of them, but not as many as for lambdas. So this series will not go indefinitely, as my lambda series will most likely be able to go. So yeah, let's see. Data table. Well, if you know Excel Esports, then you know that you either can do horizontal modeling or single cell approach with a let statement, or you model two-dimensional, so horizontal direction and vertical direction. But then at a certain point you have a problem, because we have here 20 games per level, and with a two-dimensional approach you cannot track down this simply for every game, and therefore we often tend to use so-called data tables. And to quickly set up something to then apply a data table, I have a macro. It is inspired by something that I think it is Lorenzo that has a similar one, and here therefore let's show this. So mine is with the shortcut Control-Shift-D for data table. Then I simply have to enter the number, in this case for the level, so 1, and then it's set up. It has the a sequence for the game numbers. Here it is the level written. Here is the answer, for example, for the first example. Then here is the example written in plain text. Here is then the header, and here is the input based on the alternating thing. And then basically a model here. Then I have here my input, my output, and then I create your data table where B1 is alternated, and in B4 there's my result for all games. And here this data tables thing does also work with multiple levels, so in this case level 2, and also when you have several other languages. In this case it's only German that is predetermined. But yeah, it's also quite simple. So basically you insert a new worksheet, you determine which term is needed, then a short hierarchy, you input a few things and also the formulas, and then you can use it. And also a good thing is that it's also adaptable. So if I add here, go here to level 2, it is immediately changed to a different approach. So yeah, you can then adapt it for also the other levels. Still simply copy it and enter some new informations and go from there on. Yeah, that was everything. A useful lambda for Excel Esport, useful macro for Excel Esport, and I hope it will help you in competition. Bye.